Hi all, this is the Python series Part 16. In the previous sessions, we have discussed about the break and continue loop control statements. In this session, we will discuss about the pass statement. This is also one of the loop control statements. Okay, now we will discuss about the pass statement. What is the pass statement? In Python programming, the pass statement is a null statement. Okay, nothing happens when the pass is executed. It results in no operation. Okay, now in this example, I have created the variable age. Its value is 40. Here I have used the decision making statement, if statement. Okay, here age holds 40, 40 double equal 40 returns true only. True means what happens? The control comes inside the if block and this statement will be executed. Am I correct? Let me execute this one. Here I got this result. But some clients ask us to implement it in the future. So in those situations, what we will do? We can use the pass statement. Already we discussed the pass statement is a null statement. Okay, so it results in no operation. Nothing happens when the pass is executed, isn't it? So I don't want to implement this statement in present, but we will implement it in the future according to the client requirement. In those situations, we can use this loop control statement. If I comment this line means what happens? We will get the compile time error. Okay, so now I got the compile time error. Okay, red mark is here. Okay, so how can I avoid this type of compile time error? Actually, here I have the condition according to the client requirement. I have the condition here, but the client at present not give any implementation statement. So in future only we know the implementation statement like this. So what I will do, in order to avoid this compile time error, I have to use the pass statement. Okay, now I remove this comment. Now this compile time error is also removed. So what is the task of the pass? The pass statement is a null statement. Nothing happens when the pass statement is executed. Okay, so at present we are not implemented. We want to implement it in the future only means we can use this pass statement because in order to avoid the error. Got it? Okay, this is the while loop. Here, what is the task of this while loop? Printing the numbers from 0 to 9, isn't it? Let me execute this one. So what is the output? 0 to 9. Okay, but the client don't give any implementation details at present. Okay, so what I will do? I just use the pass statement and comment this pass. If I not give any implementation details inside the while loop means we got only the compile time error like this. So if I execute this means I got the error. Okay, so what I will do? I have to use the pass statement. Then the error will be gone. Okay, again I execute the same. Now there is no error. Got it? And here I have used the for loop. Okay, in future only I know the implementation details from the client means what I will do? I have to use the pass statement. If I am not use the pass statement means what I will get? I got the compile time error. So in order to avoid this compile time error, I have to use the pass statement. Okay, now let me execute this one. There is no error. Okay, so if I comment this line means I got error like this. So in order to avoid this type of errors, we have to use the pass statement in our program. Okay, so this is the third loop control statement. I hope you all understood. We have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.